Milk is one of the most consumed products in Australia. Kids drink it. Adults drink it. People use it in breakfast, tea, coffee, smoothies, almost every day. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Not all milk is healthy. Not all milk is pure. And some of the biggest milk brands in Australia contain additives, poor quality ingredients, ultra-processing, high heat treatment destroying nutrients, questionable sourcing, excessive sugar in flavored versions, environmental contaminants. People drink these brands thinking they're fresh, but many are far from it. Today, we're exposing the 8 Australian milk brands you should avoid at all costs. Brand names included. Stay until number 1 because it's the most shocking of all. Milk brand number 8, Paul's, flavored in UHT variants. Paul's is one of the most common milk brands in Australia, but certain versions raise big concerns. 1. High heat treatment UHT. Their long-life UHT milk is ultra-processed with extreme heat. This can destroy natural enzymes, reduce vitamin levels, alter protein structures, make digestion harder. 2. Flavored milks, chocolate, strawberry. These versions often contain high sugar, artificial flavors, thickeners, stabilizers. Some Paul's flavored milks pack more sugar than soft drinks. 3. Industrial scale processing. Large dairy plants equals more homogenization, more additives, less nutrition. Verdict. Regular Paul's milk is okay for some people, but flavored and long-life versions should be avoided. Milk brand number 7. Pura, especially low-fat and processed versions. Pura is another massive Australian dairy brand. 1. Low-fat versions are loaded with additives. To replace the cream they add stabilizers, gums, synthetic vitamins, flavor enhancers. Low-fat milk is often less natural and more processed. 2. Highly homogenized. Homogenization breaks fat molecules into unnatural microscopic particles, which some studies link to inflammation, digestive discomfort, poor nutrient absorption. 3. Flavored milks are extremely sweet. Some Pura flavor variants contain 25 to 35 grams of sugar per serve. Verdict. Choose whole milk instead. Avoid low-fat and flavored Pura products. Milk brand number 6. Big M Extreme Sugar Warning. Big M is extremely popular with teens, but it's essentially liquid dessert. 1. Very high sugar. Many Big M flavors contain 35 to 45 grams of sugar, artificial flavors, color additives. That's almost 10 teaspoons of sugar in one drink. 2. Artificial additives. They often include stabilizers, preservatives, processed cocoa mixes, thickeners. 3. Zero benefit for health. Big M causes energy crashes, weight gain, blood sugar spikes, hormonal imbalance. Verdict. Not milk, it's a sugar bomb. Milk brand number 5, Devondale, UHT and long life. Devondale is widely sold in supermarkets, but most of their milk is shelf-stable UHT milk. 1. Ultra-high temperature processing. UHT kills bacteria, but also kills nutrients. This destroys enzymes, beneficial microflora, natural vitamins. You're left with milk that's dead nutritionally. 2. Long shelf life means more processing. If milk lasts months on a shelf, it's not natural milk anymore. 3. Digestion issues. Many people report bloating, stomach discomfort, hard digestion after drinking ultra-processed milk. Verdict. Devondale UHT milk should be avoided for everyday use. Milk brand number 4, OAK, the most sugary dairy drink. OAK is famous for its bold flavors, but it's one of the unhealthiest milk brands in Australia. 1. Extreme sugar content. OAK drinks commonly contain 40 to 50 grams of sugar, high fructose syrups, artificial flavors. Some OAK bottles contain more sugar than Coca-Cola, Red Bull, energy drinks. 2. Additives and chemical flavors. Ingredients include artificial chocolate flavor, caramel color, thickening gums, synthetic stabilizers. 3. High calories. One bottle can reach 500 plus calories. Verdict: avoid completely, especially for kids. Milk brand number 3. Farmers Union iced coffee. Loved in South Australia, but nutritionally dangerous. 1. Sugar overload. A single bottle can contain 50 to 60 grams of sugar, sweetened coffee extract, artificial caramelizing agents. 2. Caffeine plus sugar equals extreme spikes. This combination causes adrenal stress, insulin spikes, crashes, headaches. 3. Industrial processing. Not real coffee plus milk. It's a highly processed chemical blend. Verdict: tastes good, but extremely harmful long-term. Milk brand number 2. Dairy Farmers flavored milk. A supermarket favorite, but full of problems. 1. Artificial thickeners. Common ingredients: carrageenan, guar gum, gel on gum. These additives can irritate the gut. 2. High sugar content. Flavored variants often contain 30 to 40 grams of sugar. 3. Artificial flavors. Even fruit flavors are synthetic. 4. Cheap sourcing. Milk may come from mixed farms, not premium dairy sources. Verdict: plain Dairy Farmers milk is okay. Avoid flavor versions. Milk brand number 1. Peters & Peters iced OAT/flavored lines. This brand is extremely popular, but several versions raise major concerns. 1. Additives plus oils. Many varieties contain vegetable oils, emulsifiers, stabilizers, artificial flavors. These convert milk into a processed beverage. 2. Flavored milks are full of sugar. Some contain 40 plus grams of sugar per serve. 3. Oat milk variants have added oils. Oils like sunflower or canola make the milk more caloric, inflammatory, harder to digest. 4. Not natural milk anymore. These versions are ultra-processed, lab-altered, packed with additives. Verdict: great marketing, bad nutrition. Bonus number 9. Store-brand milks, Woolworths, Kohl's, LDI. Be careful. Not all store-brand milk is bad, but the cheapest versions often have issues. 1. Low-quality dairy sources. Large, industrial farms equals lower nutritional quality. 2. Heavy homogenization. Destroys natural structures. 3. Inconsistent quality control. 4. Shelf-stable versions equals extreme processing. If buying supermarket milk, choose the organic versions only. How to choose a healthy milk in Australia. Education segment. Choose organic milk. Fewer chemicals. Cleaner sourcing. Choose full cream milk. Less processed. More natural. Avoid flavored milk. They are just liquid sugar. Avoid UHT milk for daily use. Too processed. Avoid milk with gums and stabilizers. Carrageenan, gel on gum, guar gum. Choose milk from smaller farms. Baramba, Schultz Organic, Mungali Creek. Check labels for hidden ingredients. Milk should have one ingredient. Milk. Milk can be one of the healthiest foods, or one of the most harmful, depending on the brand you choose. Some milk brands add so much sugar, additives, stabilizers, and ultra-processing that your body can't even recognize it as milk anymore. Avoid these 8 Australian milk brands, and you'll protect your gut health, hormones, blood sugar, energy, and long-term well-being. If you want a video on the 8 best milk brands in Australia, best plant-based milks, worst foods in Australian supermarkets, just comment yes, and I'll make it next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help more people choose healthier food. This is Health Clinic, your trusted source for true health information.